Hi friends, welcome back to Desk. Daily use English sentences, English speaking practice. Let's start. आप कहाँ से हैं? Where are you from? Where are you from? आप कहाँ पर हैं? Where are you? Where are you? मैं घर पर हूँ. I am at home. I am at home. मेरी बात सुनो. Listen to me. Listen to me. मुझसे बात करो. Talk to me. Talk to me. यहाँ ध्यान दो. Pay attention here. Pay attention here. मेरी तरफ देखो. Look at me. Look at me. क्या हुआ? What happened? What happened? सब ठीक है. Everything is fine. Everything is fine. विश्वास रखो. Have faith. Have faith. ठीक से बात करो. Talk properly. Talk properly. लगे रहो. Carry on. Carry on. नहा लो. Take a bath. Take a bath. हाथ धो लो. Wash your hands. Wash your hands. जल्दी आना. Come soon. Come soon. यहाँ आओ. Come here. Come here. वहाँ जाओ. Go there. Go there. ध्यान से जाना. Go carefully. Go carefully. खड़े हो जाओ. Stand up. Stand up. बैठ जाओ. Sit down. Sit down. चलो चलते हैं. Let's go. Let's go. समय पर आना. Be on time. Be on time. जिद मत करो. Don't insist. Don't insist. इसे संभालो. Handle it. Handle it. पकड़ो इसको. Hold this. Hold this. सावधान रहो. Be careful. Be careful. धीरे चलो. Walk slowly. Walk slowly. जरा रुको. Just wait. Just wait. इसे करो. Do it. Do it. ऐसे मत करो. Don't do like that. Don't do like that. इसे अभी करो. Do it right now. Do it right now. इसे फिर से करो. Do it again. Do it again. इसे दोबारा मत करना. Don't do it again. Don't do it again. मेरे पास 2 कार है. I have 2 cars. I have 2 cars. मेरे 2 बच्चे हैं. I have 2 children. I have 2 children. मेरा इंतज़ार करो. Wait for me. Wait for me. मैं इंतज़ार नहीं कर सकता. I can't wait. I can't wait. उसके लिए इंतज़ार करो. Wait for him. Wait for him. मुझे इसकी ज़रूरत है. I need it. I need it. क्या तुम्हें इसकी ज़रूरत है? Do you need it? Do you need it? तुम्हें जाने की ज़रूरत है. You need to go. You need to go. वह आ रहा है. He is coming. He is coming. वह जा रहा है. He is going. He is going. वह लोग आएंगे. They will come. They will come. क्या तुम आ सकते हो? Can you come? Can you come? यह मेरा फ़र्ज है. It's my duty. It's my duty. मैं अभी गया हूँ. I am gone now. I am gone now. मुझसे मिलो. Meet me. Meet me. मैं आपसे मिलना चाहता हूँ. I want to meet you. I want to meet you. मुझे वहाँ मिलना है. I want to meet you there. I want to meet you there. मैं आपसे कल मिलता हूँ. I will meet you tomorrow. I will meet you tomorrow. यह तो बस शुरुआत है. This is just the beginning. This is just the beginning. आपने सारी हदें पार कर दी. You have crossed all limits. You have crossed all limits. मुझे टीवी देखना पसंद है. I like watching TV. I like watching TV. क्या तुम टीवी देखते हो? Do you watch TV? Do you watch TV? अपने बाल बना लो. Comb your hair. Comb your hair. तैयार हो जाओ. Get ready. Get ready. समझने की कोशिश करो. Try to understand. Try to understand. इसे अपने पास रखो. Keep it to yourself. Keep it to yourself. इसे वापस रखो. Put it back. Put it back. इसे बदल दो. Change it. Change it. इसे नीचे रखो. Put it down. Put it down. सच बोलो. Speak the truth. Speak the truth. मैं सच कह रहा हूँ. I am telling the truth. I am telling the truth. बहुत दिनों से देखे नहीं. Long time no see. Long time no see. मैंने एक फ़ैसला लिया है. I have made a decision. I have made a decision. यहाँ कैसे आना हुआ? How did you come here? How did you come here? मैं आसपास था. I was around. I was around. अपना मूड ठीक करो. Set your mood. Set your mood. लाइट चली गई. There is no power cut. There is a power cut. पंखा चला दो. Turn on the fan. Turn on the fan. पंखा बंद कर दो. Switch off the fan. Switch off the fan. कमरा साफ करो. Clean the room. Clean the room. पानी ले आओ. Bring water. Bring water. मेरे लिए चाय बना दो. Make tea for me. Make tea for me. चाय ठंडी हो रही है. The tea is getting cold. The tea is getting cold. थोड़ी शर्म कर लो. Have some shame. Have some shame. यह अजीब है. This is strange. This is strange. यह एक अजीब इत्तेफाक है. This is a strange coincidence. This is a strange coincidence. मैं आपको जानता हूँ. I know you. I know you. आप मुझे कैसे जानते हैं? How do you know me? How do you know me? मैं आपको अच्छी तरह जानता हूँ. I know you very well. I know you very well. यह मेरे लिए बहुत बड़ी बात है. This is a big thing for me. This is a big thing for me. यह हमेशा कड़वा होता है. दाल में कुछ काला है. There is something fishy. There is something fishy. तुम बहुत आलसी हो. You are so lazy. You are so lazy. आलसी मत बनो. Do not be lazy. Do not be lazy. तुम इसी लायक हो. You deserve this. You deserve this. अपनी हद में रहो. Stay within your limits. Stay within your limits. तुम ऐसा कैसे कर सकती हो? How can you do this? How can you do this? मेरे साथ रहो. Stay with me. Stay with me. मुझसे दूर मत जाओ. Do not go away from me. Do not go away from me. बस थोड़ी देर और. Just a little while longer. Just a little while longer. मुझे अपना ही समझो. Consider me yours. Consider me yours. उससे माफ़ी मांगो. Apologize to him. Apologize to him. मुझे माफ़ कर दो. Pardon me. Pardon me. मैं तुम्हें माफ़ नहीं कर सकता. I can't forgive you. I can't forgive you. अपना सामान बांध लो. Pack your things. Pack your things. मुझे आराम करने दो. Let me take rest. Let me take rest. क्या आप होश में हैं? Are you conscious? Are you conscious? मजाक मत बनाओ. Don't make fun. Don't make fun. शोर मत करो. Don't make noise. Don't make noise. चिढ़ाना बंद करो. Stop teasing. Stop teasing. फिर से कोशिश करो. Try again. Try again. फिर से सोचो. Think again. Think again. आपने क्या कहा? What did you say? What did you say? मैंने सुना नहीं. I did not hear. I did not hear. जल्दी से नीचे आ जाओ. Come down quickly. Come down quickly. मुझे यह कहने दो. Let me say this. Let me say this. बोलने से पहले सोच लो. Think before you speak. Think before you speak. यह कोई बड़ी बात नहीं है. This is not a big deal. This is not a big deal. यह किसका बैग है? Whose bag is this? Whose bag is this? यह किसका घर है? Whose house is that? Whose house is that? वह मेरा घर है। That is my house. That is my house. यह बैग बहुत भारी है। This bag is very heavy. This bag is very heavy. अपना बैग ले जाओ। Bring your bag. Bring your bag. तुम यहाँ क्या कर रहे हो? What are you doing here? What are you doing here? मुझे जवाब चाहिए। I need answers. I need answers. आप जवाब क्यों नहीं देते? Why don't you answer? Why don't you answer?